I'm going to share my 5 favorite games that I've played in youth ministry with my students, and make sure that you stick around to the end because I am going to be giving away one of these games to one of my listeners, so make sure that you stick around so you figure out how to do that. Welcome to the Hybrid Ministry Show, and in this episode, my first game on the list, of course, Exploding Kittens. It's a classic. If you don't know how to play or you want to grab it, there is a link down below in the description, or you can head over to my complete guide on my Patreon and join for free and take a look at this along with the embedded how to play video. But it's just a fun, kind of chaotic, very youth ministry centric kind of game. Exploding Kittens. Can't really beat it. And then, of course, next we have Spoons. And so Spoons, if you don't know it, it's basically like musical chairs or like reverse musical chairs where someone gets eliminated every single time. There's one less spoon for people playing, and so you have to be the first one to notice, grab the spoon. Once again, link down below. Grab this game, play it with your youth ministry. It's so replayable. Like, you don't have to like have any real strategy, or you don't have to have a lot of like know-how. Like, this one is like just a play it as many times as you want, and this link here will take care of that for you. Hey, don't go anywhere. These games, as you know, are obviously great games to play when you're just vibing, hanging out with students. But you probably can at least feel this. Maybe you don't know this empirically, but 95% of students, 13 to 17, spend time on social media. And 1 in 3 of them actually say that they couldn't live without it. And so my question is, how are you showing up for it? As Brady Shearer says, you should, as a church, plan to show up publicly as well as connect with students personally. And I want to let you know that I have a seasonal social media pack built just for youth pastors to do just that, for you to show up as well as give you the personalization side of it. One of the problems with most social media packs is that if it can be done for you, it can be done for many. And so there's no real customization. There's no real edge to what makes your youth ministry unique and uniquely yours. And so my pack will not only help you with some of the showing up, but it will also give you the opportunity to become a little bit custom, and I'll coach you through how to do that. It promotes customized reels and shorts for you, your voice, your face, your church, you as the pastor. I'll coach you through it as well as how to get it scheduled. So go ahead, take a look down below. Now let's get back to the episode. So next we got like a bit of a twofer, Throw Burrito and Throw Avocado. These are actually made by the team that made Exploding Kittens. But this game, there's not a more youth ministry game than either one of these. Like, you're literally throwing these stuffed avocados or these stuffed burritos at people. And it's a great chaos game. It's a great, like, play it again, play it for fun. It's a super fun, like, middle school game. I actually have a ton of fun playing this game with my own children. Throw burrito, throw avocado. They love it. And it's a great opportunity for us to just connect and do something fun together that's a little bit more wild. The 4th game on this list, of course, it's Uno. It's a classic. You don't need me to explain it to you, but if you do, head on over to my Patreon where I'll link the how to play Uno game as well as the link to go ahead and grab this. And then finally, this game, I will be honest, I've not played it with students. It's couched. It's got some, like, think Harry Potter vibes where it's like people are against wizardry. This is about psychics and ghosts, and so depending on how you and your church feel about that, but essentially it's Clue matched with like a guessing game aimed at like someone who's silent or the ghost, and they have to give clues to the psychics. The setup is a little bit more involved and it's a little bit longer, so you're gonna need like a little bit more time. I think like 45 minutes or so, but this is a great like 2 to 7 player game. We just played it the other night with my family. I first heard about it on a youth ministry retreat with my friend Tyler and Jacob. Actually, link right here is an episode where they debated and I moderated it. But Tyler introduced me to this game. It's called Mysterium. Again, over on my Patreon, check it out. And here's the thing, like I said at the beginning, if you're interested in getting one of these 5, actually 6, because I combined Throw Burrito, Throw Avocado. If you want one of these 6 games, head on over to that Patreon. It's the guide for the games. Head on over there and comment which of these 6 you would be most interested in. And next week, on my YouTube video channel and podcast, I am going to use Sidekick, random name generator, and pick one of you within this next 7 days of dropping, one of you to be the winner of one of these games. So that's how you get the opportunity to do that. I will send it directly to the address that you want. You can take it for your house if you don't think your church is going to go for it maybe, or you can give me your church address and I can send it directly to your church so that you can play for your student ministry. No one's going to know. Whatever decision you make, I want to gift it to you. And I want you to enjoy it. So I hope that this episode was helpful. If it was, listen, a like and a subscribe would be an amazing form of payment. I'm literally willing to send one of these games to you. The least you could do, give me a like, give me a subscribe, or maybe share this with a friend if you know someone who might be interested in any of these games. But until next time, my friends, and as always, don't forget, stay hybrid.